Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist.
Hi, today we're at Caesars and we're staying in a Colosseum room which is on the 66th floor, and it's a strip view king. Come on, let's have a look inside.
On you, and that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise.
These rooms have been recently renovated and you can absolutely tell. I love what they've done with them. It's a real modern twist and it's a fantastic size room.
I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this.
The decor of the Colosseum Tower rooms is modern and fresh. The furniture is high quality throughout the room and it's really bright with mirrors, lights and the large window facing the strip.
Just let the music play.
The view is looking over the Colosseum, facing the Flamingo, and it'll look really impressive at night.
Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked.
Comfy king bed and a table and chair and cool space to chill out.
You make it feel like paradise.
There's a large TV and lots of cupboard space in the room. It comes complete with a safe but no minibar or fridge, strangely enough. I did call the desk to double check and they confirmed that the Colosseum rooms don't have a minibar or fridge. I honestly think it's a bit strange how they've left space for it. Activity is good through the room, plenty of sockets and USB ports at both sides of the bed and in the workspace area. The bathroom is smaller by Vegas standards, has a single sink, separate toilet and large shower area with a seat, but it has no bathtub.
Feel like paradise, paradise.
The closet is large in the bathroom and it comes complete with an iron, but no slippers or bathrobe, which I'd expect at this price point. I paid $200 at the weekend for this room for one night, and there's an additional $45 resort fee to pay. There's better value options on the strip at this price point, and I think it's missing some basics that I'd expect. But there's nowhere quite like Caesars, and the Colosseum is a good option if that's what you're looking for. Like and subscribe for more Vegas and Manchester content. I'll see you in the next video.
Feel like paradise.